My name is Mark Olson, President of Flokk Systems. Today, I would like to introduce you to the Flokk system for livestock herd management and traceability reporting. There are two parts to the Flokk system. The first is a handheld device purpose-built to be used every day at the animal's side by livestock producers. The second part of Flokk is an integrated set of cloud services that provide user support, data integration services, and management analytics reporting. To demonstrate the handheld, let's complete one of the most common record-keeping operations for a livestock herd, adding a newborn calf to a herd. For our example today, we have a flock where we've loaded in 3 cows and done the basic configuration. There's a couple of ways to start the process of adding our calf, but for our example, we're going to scan a new CCIA tag. The flock doesn't recognize the tag, so it gives you a range of different options of what you can do in that situation. But in our case, we're going to add a calf. The first step is to add the hang tag, the visible tag that the producer uses to identify the animal. Since the flock knows what tags have already been applied, the default will be correct in most cases. Now we put in the birth date of the calf. Because the flock remembers the last calves you entered, the default will be within 1 or 2 days of the actual birth date of the calf. Now we're going to put in the gender of the calf. This is a female calf. Now we're going to put in the display. What does the calf look like? In this case, we're going to have it be a black roan calf. Now we need to put in the dam, the cow that the calf came from. If we're close enough to the cow, we can just scan our CCIA tag. But in this case, we're going to select her by her hang tag. And it's complete. We have now added the calf into the herd. In future, when we want to work with that calf again, we can either put in its hang tag, or if we're close enough, just scan its CCIA tag. And once we've selected the animal, the action button provides us a whole range of different things that we can do related specifically to that animal. As an example of our online services, let me provide you a brief demonstration of our configuration wizard. To complete the initial setup of your flock, or to update the configuration of it, when your flock has access to a Wi-Fi network, select Wizard from the option menu. Then wait until the flock prompts you with a session code. Once you have the wizard code, go to flokk.ca/wizard and provide that same code. You now have easy access to the configuration items related to your flock. The information about the owner and operator of the flock, the specifics about how to add animals to the herd, the specifics about how you want to deal with calving, the premises that you operate on, any vehicles you use for moving animals, specifics about the medications that you are going to administer to your animals, and finally the ability to edit the basic herd records. When you've completed all of the changes you need to make, we complete and say yes, and the changes are applied back to your flock. Thank you for your time and attention today. Flokk is herd management and traceability where it belongs, at the herd. Complete information can be found at flokk.ca.